Many people ask what it means to be a mission-driven church. For me, being mission-driven is just part of the DNA of who we are as a church. When my wife and I were looking for a church home, one of the things that struck us most about this church was that people didn't just talk the talk, they walked the walk. And there's no place that's more evident than in our mission and outreach work. Our congregants are involved in a number of different ways with our mission partners. They donate their time, their talent, and their financial resources. They serve many important roles, including things like serving on boards of directors, but they also get actively volunteering in the individual activities of that particular mission partner, such things as teaching children to read at Grace Place, or helping pack food at the Harry Chapin Food Bank. For those who don't understand the term mission partner to us is a nonprofit organization that serves the needs of others. They may be local or global. The point is, though, that we don't try to reinvent the wheel. We look for agencies who are already doing good service, God's will in this community, and we try to find ways to help support them.
Naples United Church of Christ has been a partner with Grace Place since the inception of the organization. Without the support of this church, I don't think we would be in the place that we are today. So they're a tremendous partner and resource to the children and families that we serve in the Golden Gate community.
From a financial standpoint, there are three major ways we support our mission partners. One is through our thrift shop, the Bargain Box, where all proceeds are donated to various mission partners, both in this community and globally. Second way is through seasonal special offerings. We do these offerings at holiday times. One example would be at Thanksgiving, we donate to the Harry Chapin Food Bank. And at Christmas time, part of our offerings typically go to the Shelter for Abused Women and Children. And we're proud of the fact that we're one of the 4 founding churches of Habitat for Humanity here in Collier County. Finally, we have one-time drives to support a specific agency. A side effect of this is it gives us the opportunity to better educate our congregants on the important missions that this agency fulfills. Some examples of this include our involvement with the Neighborhood Health Clinic in providing a dental surgical suite,
Starting something is not as difficult as sustaining it. So as we went through the years of making sure that the clinic was growing, that we were meeting the needs of the low-income workers, sustainability was paramount, and it was individuals like the volunteers from United Church of Christ and their revenues that kept us going.
Another example is with the people of Guatemala, where we were quite active in building a clinic to serve the needs of the indigenous mountain people.
Lois and I visited Guatemala and saw the extreme poverty and conditions that the people were living in. No running water, smoke in the kitchens, and it was difficult for us to see that. And at that point we decided that we needed to do something.
Our focus is health and education, And so we can literally see that children are staying in school through our scholarship program. We have a stove project where we've installed thousands of Chipina stoves to improve the health of families so that there's no more smoke in the house. I think probably one of the largest impacts is the health center, because just in this year alone, we will log over 10,000 patient visits, and the children under the age of 12 are free. So now when their children are sick, they can bring their children in and they're treated.
Without the support of our generous donors and the Naples United Church of Christ, we would not be able to continue providing services that we're able to.
Yeah, we're really blessed. We're blessed with the help that this congregation has provided.
So in order to raise the money, we went to the congregation of the Naples United Church of Christ. And we needed much more money than just for stoves to build a medical clinic and to outfit it and to buy many of the drugs. And the congregation responded with enormous amount of money in the six figures that gave us the underpinnings to build a medical clinic today that has 2 doctors and 3 nurses and 10 full-time staff members and is open 6 days a week serving the Mayans.